we've just turned up at our next job. They've asked me to have a look at one of their trucks. That had a knocking noise. They weren't sure where it was coming from, but he pulled into the yard and apparently it was making a right banging noise. So I've come and had a look at it today. What I found is this wheel. So obviously these are all loose. That one's loose. So whoever's fit this tyre, because it's had a new tyre at some point, whoever's fit that, it doesn't seem like they've torqued the wheels up or it's not had a re-torque. But now these are f***ed now. So as you can see, it's gone egg-shaped now and eaten into the rim. So really lucky that this wheel hasn't come off down the road, because he says we're on motorway and he heard the banging, so really lucky that this hasn't come off.